What's going on, guys? Let's look at this problem right here. Here this question is asking, city engineers are considering several plans for building municipal aqueduct tunnels. They use an interest rate of 8%. One plan calls for a full capacity tunnel that will meet the needs of the city forever. The cost is 3 million now and 100,000 every 10 years thereafter for repairs. What is the total present worth of the cost of building and maintaining aqueduct? Now let's put a graph for this one. Okay, initially we have the cost is 3 million initially. 3 million, and every 100,000 every 10 years. 100,000 and 100,000. Okay, here first let's calculate the P value. P is basically P initial plus P repair cost. P initial plus P repair cost. So this is what you are trying to find. And initial we know that 3 million, and P repair can be calculated using this formula. P is equal to A over I. Okay, now A is what? A is this one. A is P times this 100. For this one, A is 100,000 because every month we have 100,000 times A over F, because whenever we have forever we have to put A over F, and the interest rate is given 8%, and it's for 10 years, every 10 years. So 100,000, and if you look at the value on the table, you will see that is 0.06903, and that is equivalent to $6903. Now we have A, and let's calculate the P total. P total is basically P initial, that is 3 million, and this one A over I. So here this is the one, P repair is A over I. So A is 6903, and I is 8%, in decimal 0.08. And if you calculate this one, you're gonna get 3,008,6,288, and that's the final answer. Okay, and there's another method you can use to do that. That is, first you can calculate IE. Let's use a different colors for that. You can calculate IE using this formula: 1 plus the percentage, that is 0.08, and each 10 years, every 10 years we have this cost, so minus 1, and that will give us 1.1589. and P repair is basically 100,000, that is A, 100,000 divided by 1.1589, and that gives us 86,287, and P total is addition with that. P total is addition with the initial cost, 3 million plus 86,287, and that gives us 3,086,287, and that's the final answer. And if you compare this one and this one, almost same, only one value, 288, 287. That's a small difference. Okay, and those are almost equal. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you are trying to learn engineering economics, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.